Hello everybody, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews. I just went to the dentist, I just got back from the dentist, so I might sound a little weird. But yeah, I have a little numbness going on. I thought it was gonna run by quicker than this. It's been over an hour or two, but it's been like an hour and a half. But yeah, anyway, so this is the next step, another step, I guess you could say, in me getting my saltwater aquarium. I just ordered this from Amazon. I think it's my garbage pail. I got it in blue. It's NSF approved. I made sure for food and food contact and stuff like that. So it should be real. It should be good for water. I'm probably going to use it for my water changes, is what I'm guessing. I don't have a mixing station. I don't have that luxury of a mixing station yet that I know of. I don't know about the future, but right now there's definitely doesn't look like I'm gonna have one right now. So there's no mixing station. So we got this right here. I'm gonna mix. So let's open this up so you can get an idea of what I just got. Let's check it out. Let's see what I got from Amazon. Let's see if it'll work. So this is what we got to mix my, pre-mix my salt water for my water changes. So I got one of these. I thought the lid was gonna come with it. Oh my god, that's so heavy duty. Wow, this thing is hardcore. Like really hardcore. This thing's pretty good, big. I didn't get a Brute container. I got a Carlisle 32 gallon. So that's what it is. I got a 32 gallon Carlisle. It didn't come with the lid. I guess the lid is going to come at another time. That stinks. So it doesn't say Carlisle on it anywhere. Oh, here it is. It says Carlisle right there. See, it says Carlisle. Carlisle, whatever you want to call it right here. So you can see it, 32. Model, serial, all that other stuff, Oklahoma, whatever. There's the tag. 32 gallon. This is what it looks like. This is pretty heavy duty, guys. I just want to say. I know everyone usually gets the Brute containers. That's the big thing, is the Brute ones. This one was only like $4, $5 cheaper than the Brute, but it is the same exact quality. I'm telling you, it's just the same exact quality. I think this one was $30-something for a 32 gallon. What was it, 30? Maybe 30 bucks, I think, for a 32 gallon. So this should be perfect for what I'm going to be using it for. And hopefully this will work out for you. If you're looking for a garbage pail compared to the Brute, this Carlisle one is really strong. Like I said, it's nice and heavy, it's strong, it's sealed up on the bottom. Everything's perfect about it. This is going to work perfect for what I want. Except, like I said, I just didn't get my lid yet. So I'm hoping my lid is going to get here soon. So alright, so that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews. That's just a little review of my soon-to-be mixing canister container for my salt water. And maybe this will help you. You can use this to mix as well. Or if you're thinking about making a mixing station, this Carlisle one is no joke. And it's NSF approved, where the Brute ones, when I look them up, the colored ones don't say NSF approved. They don't say anything like that. They only say that for the gray ones, where this brand says it for all the colors. So that's the reason why I went with this one instead. So that was, a little cool. And alright, so that's about it. Everyone enjoy. Please subscribe, comment below. If you have any questions, always let me know. I'll answer them as soon as I can. Just post it below and I'll try to answer the questions. And that's it. Everyone enjoy. Have a great day. Bye-bye.